In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $245 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Pinterest affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, I'm going to share with you step by step, guys, how we can start, which affiliate services I was promoting on Pinterest. So you just need to copy and paste my method and you will earn commission like this. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $0 because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account, and as you can see over here, it's paid. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to Pinterest affiliate marketing and they want to promote affiliate links on Pinterest and earn money, so first step, guys, what you need to do is you need to go to Google and you need to search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Okay, then click on the first link over here and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is really super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this website over here, as you can see. Okay, so you just need to click over here on join now. Before we do that, let me scroll down to show you how much you will earn for each service. If we click over here on see commission, and as you can see over here, you can earn up to $115. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $115. That's really a lot of money, guys. Okay, so what you will do, you will just click on join now and you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. So the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is really super easy and simple. Put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions over here and you will choose your language, choose your country over here. Okay, you need to choose your country and choose your language. Then put your Skype here if you have Skype. If you don't have, that's fine. Click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It will take just few minutes. It's super easy, as you can see. Okay, anyone can sign up. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next step, guys, is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so go back to Fiverr like this and search for this service. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you one of my services that I was promoting on Pinterest, and it's YouTube. Okay, search for viral YouTube short. Okay, search for viral YouTube short. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. You need to choose good sellers who has a lot of reviews and like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, because if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's scroll down to find the good seller. So okay, let me see. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna choose I'm gonna choose this one. This one is level 2 seller and he has 5 star. I will click on his service. So he is level 2 seller. That's fine. We can choose his service. He has 9 orders in queue, as you can see. So people are buying this service. Okay, what you will do, you will copy his profile link. Copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, then click over here on default and dip links. Okay, click over here again and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here. What we will do, we will promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. I will show you step by step how you can do it. Let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest. Make sure to open business account, not personal account. Okay, you need to choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one over here. Okay, as you can see. So what you need to do, click on home feed, click on create pin like this. You will be directly in this page. You need to upload picture that describe your service. So how we can do this, go back to this seller page, and you need just to upload his picture. Click on his picture, double click, save image. Okay, and I'm gonna name it, for example, viral short. Save, go to Pinterest and upload this picture here. So let me see. Okay, this is my picture here. Open, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded to your Pinterest account like this. Scroll down. You can see over here a link. Put your affiliate link here first, like this. And we need now title, description. Let's go back to this seller page, and we can copy his title. Because you are just an affiliate, you can use his information. Okay, I'm gonna put this title here. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I'm gonna copy this part. I will go to Pinterest, and I can put this over here. Okay, easy and simple. Scroll down. You need to choose a board. Click over here, and if you are new, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. So I already create 3, as you can see. I'm gonna choose this one, for example. Scroll down, and you need to put here tags. Go back to this seller page, scroll down, keep scrolling down like this. Okay, keep scrolling down, and you should see related tags. Those are the tags. Copy those tags like this. Use all those tags. Okay, so you can rank your pin in the first page. Okay, I'm gonna go back. I will copy this one. Go to Pinterest, put this here. After you finish, click over here on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. It's really super easy and simple, guys. As you can see, it will take just a few minutes. And make sure to promote at least 5 services per day if you want to get commission. You cannot promote just one service and you will get commission. It's not working like that. You need to keep promoting more services. The more you promote, your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, as you can see, your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest like this. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, and this is your affiliate link over here, your title, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.